Welcome to our channel. Today we how to protect your intellectual property with Trademarkia easy tutorial. To protect your intellectual property using Trademarkia, visit their website. Once the home page loads, locate the search bar at the top. Type in the name or logo you wish to trademark. Click on the search button to see if your trademark is already in use. If your trademark is available, click on the register option. You'll be taken to a form to fill out your trademark details. Provide your name, address, and contact information in the required fields. Select the type of goods or services associated with your trademark. Make sure to review Trademarkia's classification options to choose the right one. Next, upload any necessary files, such as your logo or design. Review all the information you've entered for accuracy. Once confirmed, click the Continue button to proceed to the payment section. Choose your preferred payment method to pay the application fee. After payment, you will receive a confirmation email with details about your application. Trademarkia will then file your application with the United States Patent and Trademark Office. You can track the progress of your application through your Trademarkia account. Be prepared to respond to any inquiries from the Trademark Office if needed. Once your trademark is approved, you will receive an official registration certificate. Congratulations! You've taken an important step in protecting your intellectual property with Trademarkia. If the page does not load, refresh the browser or try again in a private or incognito window. Make sure you are using the correct email address, then retype it carefully to avoid small typos. If your password is not accepted, use the reset option and create a new strong password you can remember. Check your spam folder for verification or security emails, then complete any requested confirmation steps. Enable two-factor authentication if available to improve account security and reduce unauthorized access risk. After signing in, review your profile details so your contact information and settings are accurate and current. If you see an error message, note it down and try again after restarting your device and internet connection. Log out when you finish, especially on shared devices, to keep your account and payment information secure. Don't forget to like this video and subscribe to our channel for more step-by-step tech guides.